Ever searched your name or business and found old, deleted, or outdated content still showing up on Google? Even if the content no longer exists, Google's index may still display a cached version, including snippets and images you thought were gone. That's where Google's outdated content tool comes in. It lets you request a refresh or removal of search results that are no longer accurate. Today, we're going to show you exactly how it works with step-by-step examples and ticks for approval. The outdated content tool allows anyone, not just site owners, to update or remove dead links and cached snippets. You can use it if a web page has been deleted but still shows up in search results. Or if a page has changed but Google is still showing the old, outdated information. It even works if an image has been removed but still displays in Google image results. However, it won't work if the content is still live and unchanged on the source website. It's also not for legal or privacy removals. For those, you'll need Google's legal request tool instead. And if you're the site owner, use the removals tool in Search Console for much faster action. Ready to start? Step 1 is to head to the outdated content tool and log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a simple dashboard. Just click New Request to begin the process. Step 2, choose your reason. Note that only the first option is typically used for this specific tool. The other options might redirect you to different solutions depending on your specific needs. Step 3, enter the affected URL. Simply paste the full web address of the page you want to update. If you're trying to remove an outdated image, make sure to switch to the Image tab first. Once you've entered the link, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation screen letting you know it's set. Now, check the queue at the bottom. This is where you can track the status of your request over the next few days. So what happens next? If approved, the result will be updated or removed from Google search entirely. If the page was deleted, the entire result disappears. If it was just changed, Google refreshes the snippet. You'll see statuses like pending while it's under review and approved once Google takes action. Denied usually means the content still exists on the site. Expired means the approval lasts after 180 days. To recap, use this for edited news articles, deleted forum posts, or removed personal images. Don't use it to suppress live results or delete personal info. There are other forms for that. If you need expert help managing your online presence, companies like Erase.com specialize in this. They've helped over 5,000 businesses and individuals remove over 100,000 harmful links since 2009. Take control of your online reputation today and ensure your Google results are accurate. Thanks for watching this guide. We hope it helps you clean up your digital footprint. Check out our other guides for more tips on managing your online presence. See you next time.